Did you know that two words can look almost identical but have completely opposite meanings? Today, we're looking at famous and infamous. They sound very similar, and many English learners confuse them. But once you understand the difference, you'll never mix them up again. Let's start with the definitions. Famous means someone or something is widely known and admired. They're recognized because of their talent, achievements, or positive contributions. Infamous, on the other hand, also means widely known, but for the wrong reasons. Someone who's infamous is remembered for crimes, scandals, or other terrible actions. So while both words describe being well known, one has a positive meaning, and the other has a negative one. Now let's look at some real examples. Marie Curie is famous for her groundbreaking discoveries in science and for winning 2 Nobel Prizes. The Beatles are famous because they transformed popular music and inspired generations of artists around the world. Now for the opposite. Al Capone is infamous for leading one of America's most powerful criminal organizations during the Prohibition era. And the Titanic is infamous because of its tragic sinking on its very first voyage in 1912. Notice something? Every one of these examples is well known. The difference is why they're remembered. Some are admired, while others are remembered for tragedy or wrongdoing. Now it's your turn. You'll see 3 sentences with a missing word. Before the answer appears, decide whether it should be famous or infamous. Ask yourself one simple question. Is this person or thing well known for something good or something bad? Let's see how many you get right. Great job! Now you know the difference between famous and infamous. Remember, famous means well known for something positive, while infamous means well known for something negative. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple English lessons with clear explanations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.